Hello Creative Tartanites and welcome to this week's video. As you can see, I am creating in my sketchbook. This illustration was created for last month's, so that was July's Creative Tartanite Tribe challenge. Every month in the Creative Tartanite Tribe, I set a creative challenge, and for this particular challenge it was inspired by somebody else that I like to watch on YouTube. Her name is Emma Carpenter and I will leave her details in the description below as well. She does a lot of her illustrations in pencil and I really enjoy watching her vlogs. And she shows a little bit of her process, and I've been really inspired by the fact that she does a lot of her illustrations in pencil. I love using pencil, but I don't use it enough, and so that was where the idea for challenging myself and obviously others in the tribe to create an illustration or a piece of art in pencil. I left it reasonably open. There was a theme of fairs, and my first idea was that I wanted to create a girl in the fairground eating a candy floss. I wanted to keep the colours quite pastel, and because it's really difficult for a camera to pick up pencil, I really struggled to actually get this one finished because I procrastinated a lot. I wasn't really sure how I was going to be able to pick up the colours in the recording on the video, and in the end I just decided, I'm just going to have to go for it. I was actually sitting in bed and I had my camera on an arm sitting over my shoulder, so occasionally my stupid head got in the way a little bit, but I don't think it does it too often, and I certainly took out the big part, when it was actually in frame for too long. I took that out when I edited, so I don't think it's too bad. So just please forgive the grey hair and occasionally seeing the ever so slightly thinning part of the top of my head. Of course, speaking of challenges, one of the things I'm challenging myself to do today is to try and get this voiceover completed without having to edit it too much. So trying not to and all the time, and also trying not to pause too much and trying to keep the flow of the conversation going without too many gaps. Sometimes it can be really difficult to actually remember or think about what I'm actually wanting to say. Even though I might have an idea of what I want to say, when it actually comes to it, sometimes the thoughts just disappear. Of course, comment in the below if that happens to you, when you're in a conversation and you know what you want to say, but somehow the words just escape you. I'm also curious as to how you guys are doing. It's been a long time really since I've uploaded, and for that I sincerely apologise. I confess I have really found that I haven't been as inspired to do as much creativity that is actually easily recorded, and because the things I've been doing haven't necessarily been easily recorded, I haven't been recording as much, although there have been a couple of digital pieces that I have recorded. I just haven't got round to editing them yet, but they are in the pipeline. And of course I've been enjoying going live on Twitch, which has really meant that I didn't actually have to think about editing, which is a really good thing because I do spend a lot of time editing. But if you have enjoyed this as you know, a peek at this challenge and you think it's something that you might like to join in, then please by all means join the Creative Tartanite Tribe and participate in this month's challenge. I will leave all the details of how you can join in the description below. So if you just click on that, click on see more and scroll down, you'll be able to see all the details. And hopefully I'll be seeing you in the Creative Tartanite Tribe. It's available on Facebook, on Discord, and with bells and whistles and little bits of extra stuff, the tribe is also on Patreon. So, you know, there's lots of different price points. The Patreon, the lowest tier is as little as £2. That's excluding VAT. For those of you who are in countries that you're expected to pay VAT, there's VAT added. If you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching all the way to the end and listening to me babble on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really does help me out, and I would just be so appreciative of your help. If you haven't already done so and would like to, please subscribe. That way you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you all in the next video. In the meantime, don't forget, look after your mental well-being, because nobody else can. Bye for now.